Everyone wants to be in the know. And this month, we have some very special things planned just for you.
Welcome to Career 360. Whether it's your first visit or your 360th, you're in for a treat. Last month, we highlighted events. Now let's dive into another fantastic feature, the top menu options. Here's how you can make the most of it. At the top of the screen, there are 3 important options: Jobs and Internships, which directs to Handshake; Create a Resume, which directs to Skills First; and Ask a Question, which will enable you to email Career Services. For more details on these sites, reach out to a career advisor or browse the many tutorials on our SNHU Career YouTube page. If you are a current online student or an alum, Career 360 empowers you to explore and navigate your own career development journey and achieve success. Students can access Career 360 directly through the Career Services website on mySNHU. Bookmark our website at career360.snhu.edu.
How do you use Handshake? Did you know that all SNHU students have access to Handshake? Check out this new video series to help guide you in making the most out of this career and networking resource. Learn how to build an effective profile, attend events, and more.
Have you ever considered a career in state government? Join us for a virtual career event and discover your future career in state government on Wednesday, November 13th at 1 p.m. Eastern. Connect with representatives in California, Kentucky, Massachusetts, Michigan, New Hampshire, New York, or Texas for a group session or one-on-one meeting as applicable. This is your chance to make connections and get insights into a future in state government. Don't miss out. Register now.
Lovers of paranormal romance and dark romantasy will not want to miss this Wireside chat featuring online MFA instructor and award-winning author Kate Ballenger on Monday, November 11th from 8 to 9 p.m. Eastern. Tune in as Kate shares an insider's view of romance publishing today and talks about her love of villainous heroes and spicy redemption arcs. Click the link below to register now. Join Word for Word on November 20th at 8 p.m. Eastern in celebration of SNHU's creative writing instructors in a special event spotlighting young adult fiction. Award-winning writers Melissa Marr and Adrienne Kisner join us to read from their work, discuss their writing journeys, and share insights into the young adult fiction market. Sign up below.
2 exciting HB Cares events coming up. First, journey into becoming a public health professional on November 20th with Kenzie Jones as she shares invaluable real-life experiences from her career in public health that you won't learn in the classroom. Discover her journey from student to CEO of her own public health consulting company and supervisor at the Mississippi Public Health Institute. On November 22nd, Pharmacy IT and Me, HIM edition, featuring Rajesh A. Shah, an oncology pharmacist at the University of Pennsylvania Health Systems. Rajesh will dive into how he combines clinical informatics and oncology expertise to innovate and improve patient care. Whether you're eyeing public health or health informatics, these events are packed with insights from industry leaders.
GovCon Career Connect Week is designed to bridge the gap between talented professionals and the world of government contracting. This week will showcase opportunities in 3 critical sectors: consulting, healthcare, and defense, offering a look into how these fields intersect with government contracts and what they could mean for your career. Whether you're just starting your career, looking to transition into a new sector, or aiming to advance in the government contracting field, GovCon Career Connect Week offers 4 events just for you. On 11/19, you'll participate in hands-on workshops designed to sharpen your resume and interview skills, specifically tailored for the government contracting industry. On 11/20, you'll meet key players from leading government contracting firms. You can expand your professional network with opportunities to engage in meaningful conversations about career prospects. And on 11/21 and 11/22, we will host 2 virtual career fairs just for you. During these fairs, you'll get the chance to network and connect directly with employers virtually. Meet with employer representatives from Bay Systems and Accenture Federal Services and many others. You'll have the opportunity to pick from one-on-one sessions and time slots with employer representatives. These employers will share information about their workplace, career opportunities, and more. This is a tremendous opportunity for students to network. Register now to attend one or all of these amazing events.